Oh, over-receive pero pumundos. Para kay Padillon.
Yan yung sinasabi nilang pag para sa'yo, para sa'yo talaga.
Binuenas pa. Itong si Moming Padillon. It was a misreception. Pero hindi nag-uusap. Sharp serve by Pau. Back row hit. Pop-up by Ceballos. Tudlasan with the push. Santos, boom! Breaking through is Scott Santos.
That was a statement spike para dito kay Santos. Pinaramdam lang niya din dun sa blockers na bumlock dun sa teammate niya kanina na meron din kami nito, kaya na.
Itong San Sebastian, kaunti umaalagwa. Ayaw nilang bitawan to. De Guzman, specialty of the house for Pau de Guzman. That sharp cross-court hit. Mahilig siya dyan. From right to left na cross-court, of course. 10 serving 12. Tira-tira. Boom! Gonzalez! Siya naman yung umiinit ngayon. In play.
Tama.
Oh, Adante. Santos!
Nakinig naman.
Ayun na.
Nakinig naman siya. Kung sa bagay, kung ganyan ba naman yung magsasabi sa'yo, uupo ng ganyan na napakalakas ng aura, pati ako makikinig naman talaga ako. Pag sinabing hampasin mo ng malakas, hampasin mo na lang.
That's the perfect response after the timeout. Santos with their 5th point here in the first. Oh, over-received. Regalo para kay Dina Marasigan.
Ano yung pagkakakilala mo sa kanya? Na, uy, binati mo agad, pinakitaan ka ng score. Di, nalawa na.
Ito talaga si Casey Adante, but KJ Junicio with a running hit. 4 na puntos na para kay KJ and a much needed one for San Sebastian. So another variation, our first. Pablo with a pop-up, the best receiver in the league. Gonzalez. Tudlasan is denied. Pablo again, keeping it alive. De Guzman, nice dive by Di Maculangan. Santos, bumuelo pa. Overdog. Here we go. Long rally. Pablo with a one-handed save. Tudlasan Stern. Ando naman si Marasigan. It continues. Kept off. Here we go. Oh! The return goes in.
Marts, ito yung mga ganitong klaseng rally yung nakaka-hype talaga.
Tama itong bola. KJ again, targeting Padillon. Tudlasan, deflected. Here's the setup from Baste. Santos puts it down. And it is 23-20 for the Lady Stacks.
Napakainit nitong ni Santos dito sa first set pa lang natin. Kung makikita nyo lang sana yung number of attacks and attempts niya, doon nyo rin malalaman kung ano talaga yung preparation na pahinanda nila para dito sa Arellano.
Pero hindi successful. Another nice serve. They go to De Guzman. She is checked, but the return went out. So Arellano gets a breather. Tulis. At saka ito. Boom. Ayan, nakaabang na si Pablo. De Guzman, that one was deflected. Lazarte pops it up. Cat Santos puts it down. 7 points now for Santos. Players. All right, Tomasig. Cross court. Oh, there's a check on that Moming Padillon attempt.
Meron kang malalaking first line. Nag-iiba talaga yung tira ng mga offense. Nag-iiba yung tira. Yung mga possible na pwede nilang paluin pag nakita nila na may mga malalaking blocker, hinuhulog na lang. And chances are makukuha ng teammates mo.
So, 4-0 run.
Pwede na rin, nakinuha niya yung puntos.
Gonzalez, better pass. Garcia, binigyan ulit. Oh, nice save by Padillon. Keeping it up, pero free ball to. Tip does not work. Padillon breaks through again. booming Padillon with 8 points, and Arellano is first to 16. For San Sebastian, jump serve incoming. De Guzman off the block.
Challenge mo ako, ha? Bibigyan din kita ng isa.
Adante with a back set.
Napakaganda ng set.
Tudlasan.
Napakaganda nung basa niya na yun.
What a setup by Adante for this booming hit for Laika Tudlasan. Only one blocker assigned to her.
Hype talaga nila para sa isa't isa. Ando dun. Kaya yung susunod na possession, napakataas ng energy.
Ito, di nakabawi si Marasigan. Nicely done by Padillon on the one-handed save. KJ this time, pop-up by Tira-Tira. Padillon approaches, and again, it's a down-the-line hit for Padillon. Arellano takes the set. How about this? This is out of system.
I love the improvement for this Arellano team. Ano yung mga first ball nila ngayon, naiaangat na nila. And that's the biggest change.
Those in the second set. So yung bumuhay sa opensa ng San Sebastian. Padillon. Timakulangan with a pop-up. Marasigan puts it down. Oh, hindi. So, net touch ang itatawag dito sa Arellano. Habang umaatake itong si Tina Marasigan, there was apparently one player who 3-2. Oh, nice serve. Padillon. Nando na si Demakulangan. Gonzalez. Wow.
Iniwasan na lang eh. Bawon na bawon yung palo na bago pa naman siya makareact. Umiwas na lang.
Wow. Diba?
Oh, dyan papasok yung positioning. Dinala yung bola.
Siya yung tina-target.
Siya
Ano?
naman yung tina-target.
Ayan, better pickup from Pablo. Here's the reverse set. Jonah Gonzalez. Hot hand right now, and they'll ride it. 11 points para kay Jonah Gonzalez. How about this young player? Only her second year with Baste, but she's showing. Oh, another good serve from Von. And this will result to a free ball. Oh, Jonah Gonzalez.
After
Another
ng
one.
first ball, tatlong player ng San Sebastian yung ready sa atake. Kanino mo dadalin? And they're back again with that mind games nila dun sa offense nila kung kanino dadalhin yung bola.
Ito, may nilalabas pang baraha itong San Sebastian. Two straight for Arellano. They go back to Juna. They'll ride the hot hand here. Tudlasan gives up the free ball. Lazarte passing it to Dimakulangan. Over to Marasigan. Easy up for Laika. Ito si De Guzman with a push. Saved by Padillon. Tudlasan naman ang susubok. Underhand setup here. Juna Gonzalez!
Kinakabahan ako dun sa mga ganun. Medyo napapareact ako eh.
14 puntos na para dito kay Juna Gonzalez. Even with a difficult set right there, she was able to handle it and score. Padillon. Malutong yun. KJ!
Ayan yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger na quick. Kaya siya tinawag na quick kasi dapat mabilis and napakabilis naman. Nung kumurap ka lang, naihulog na yung bola. Napakaganda ng set play ng tinakbo nito ng San Sebastian for that counter-attack.
Lady Chiefs. Tomasig. Diretso yun kay Gonzalez. Running hit. Ceballos. Padillon! This is combi play. Slide push, soft touch mula dito kay Pau de Guzman.
Ganda ng misdirection nila doon kasi napasabay ni Tira-Tira yung isang blocker na crucial para doon sa supposedly block.
Every time makaka-partner ko sa Prince, bibilang ko yung mga... Ayan, baka doon na. Gonzalez bringing San Sebastian back here. 17 puntos na para kay Juna Gonzalez.
And again, si Gonzalez naglalaro ng parang hindi siya bago. Parang sinabi niya na mukha lang akong bago. And veterano na tayong maglaro.
Ganda galawan niya.
Having those kinds of coaches behind you, helping you with the experiences na nakuha nila through the years, malaking bagay yon.
We expected Marasigan and Kat Santos to take over for Bastet, but it's been Juna Gonzalez who's been the star, and she continues to score.
Kinailangan lang niya na sila ate. In the case of set number 3 kanina, medyo stagnant sila eh. Again, sinabi rin, nabanggit mo kanina na isa sa mga gusto ni coaches yung minsan second ball pa lang binabalik na eh. Pero napansin ko rin na binanggit ni coach kanina na wag muna. Hanapin muna natin yung spikers mo. Meron yung spikers. Balasahin muna natin.
Blocking dun sa individual players natin. Tomasig. Tracked down by Jonicio. Medyo malayo-layo yung pinanggalingan niya. Running attack for Mangubat. And that's a welcome variety in the offense. 10-9. Von, underhand set for Gonzalez. Moming again with those deceiving attempts.
Same play, but different option this time.
Si Padillon, ayan o. Akala ipapower. Hindi, lagay ko ulit sa gitna. Bukas na bukas. 10-all. Maui magaling. Kat Santos, gustong bawian. Moming again. Check this time. One more time for Padillon. Yep. It's been working for Padillon, those drop balls. Look at this. Kanina power. O ito, nag-adjust ng mabilis si Moming Padillon.
And if you're gonna look at how she plays talaga.
17-15. Dalawa ulit ang abante ng Arellano. Set up for Divine Garcia.
One.
And it is tira-tira with a rejection. How about Samantha tira-tira? Napa-time out dito si Coach Roger. She has 9 points in total. 6 na blocks para dito kay Samantha tira-tira, who is of course a rookie for the Arellano Lady Chiefs. That's how big she has been for Arellano today. Oh, KJ is denied. Pero, yeah, make that 7 kill blocks now for tira-tira.
Napakaganda ng epekto ng Holy Week break para sa mga players natin ngayon. Ano? Gonzalez getting that career high in points dito sa game na to. And si tira-tira,
for serving purposes. Si Lazarte ang nag-set up kay Santos. Nadaplisan ng blockers. Laika Tudlasan. Nandun si Lazarte. Santos will try again. Moming was there for coverage. It is still alive. It is sent across. And Marasigan. Pastes sets it up. Santos. Padua. Tudlasan. Uy! Returned. Padillon from the back. Santos. Oh, puts it down.
mabigat yung isang play doon na binalik nila agad. Sige, nakita mo may reaction ni Coach Obet nung binalik nila agad yung first ball.
Huy! Oo, napareact. Kasi nga naman.
Rally eh, dapat rally yan.
Sayang yung oportunidad.
And now, nakakuha ng San Sebastian yung puntos. Meron pa silang tsansa.
23-21. KC. Back set. Tudlasan. Puto. Buhay pa to. That's right. Chance ball though. Arellano will look to take advantage. Balik kay Laika. Easier. Take. Juna Gonzalez scores again. 20 points now for the sophomore.
Bigat nung balo na yun, no? Alam mo ba na kanina ko lang natutunan yung term na puto. Oo, that's a good example of puto.
Pag malakas, ano? Tapos
Sinalo lang
natig
eh.
pa rin.
Oo.
22-23. KJ ties it up. Service ace. That was a sharp serve unleashed by KJ.
What's that? 3-0 run?
Yeah. To tie it up. Look at that. Just right over the net. Pababa. 23 all. 3-zip for San Sebastian. Mangubat. Here comes Baste. Gonzalez. Oh! Inabot ni Padillon. San Sebastian is at match point.
Timeout by
Juna Gonzalez with 22.
Simple instruction ang binato kasi aabangan talaga to.
Before this, she was only averaging 8.3 points per match. Oh, good serve. Padua. Oh! An attack error will give San Sebastian the win. The Lady Stags will take it in 4 sets. Ito, si Padua. Oh man, just not the right contact for her.
Yes. Pero again, hindi mo naman pwedeng, di ba? That was an instruction from the coach na doon dalhin yung bola.